How to get the MrBeast captions for your videos. So if you want to get the font and animations for your video captions so that your video look like MrBeast's, then we've got you covered. It's really easy to get them, so let's start. We'll use the CapCut application for this, so open CapCut and create a new project. You can open any video, and I want to edit a lyrics video, so I'll add a black background and add my music. I've muted the song because of the copyright reasons, but when you add your video, then it's time to add our captions. We will add captions automatically by clicking on this text tool and then find the auto lyrics option or the auto captions. See what works the best for you in order to add captions automatically for your video. The auto lyrics works just fine for me. This will save you a lot of time and you won't add the captions or lyrics sentence by sentence. When you add the text to your video, then let's get the MrBeast font and animations. Select any part of the text and then font. We don't have the font in the CapCut app, so we'll download it. So exit CapCut and open the link from the video description. I'll leave the font download link below, so just open this website and click on the download button. The font name is Comica Axis, and it's what MrBeast uses in his videos. If you are on your iPhone, just save the font in the Files app, but if you are on Android, then save it to your Downloads Manager or wherever you want. Just remember the location of it. When you download the font, open CapCut once again and then click on Add Font right here. Then the plus button right here. And select the font we've just downloaded. Now we have one more step to do. Click on the animation right here. Then Captions. And find the spring animation. And that's it. We've successfully added the MrBeast captions to our videos. This will look great for your TikToks, Shorts, and Instagram Reels. If this video was helpful, then leave a like on it and I'll see you in the next one.